Okay, so I just picked up the ode this weekend, and I don't think it's acting quite as it should. Seems like the motor is bogging down. So here I've got something where I've got no beans in it right now, and I've got it set all the way up. And we'll turn it on. See how it shakes around. The motor's getting bogged down. If I take and do what I would normally do for a grind, take it down to that'd be 1.8 on there, and add in some beans. On there. Now if I start this up and run it, it's going to sound like the little engine that could.